Hey guys, I don't think my webcam's working correctly. I don't know why, but it's me, Sweet Daredevil, and there's a few things I want to talk about what guys do that I don't like because of what they do. I dislike it when they are mean or rude or just plain out insult the girls they like because they want attention. To me, my point of view, because of the way I am, I would like it if a guy, if they like me, just walk up to me and admit it, but they don't, obviously. Second thing, the guy will try to impress you by doing weird things or almost literally hurting himself. You don't need to get our attention. We see you, we notice you're there, we may not like you, so we may ignore you. And something else I do not like that guys do is when they decide to go off and just be cruel in the meanest way possible just because they don't seem to like you. I don't like how they hear rumors about you while you're gone or something, and they automatically believe those rumors and just put it off on you, not giving you a chance to explain. I do not like it when a guy decides to just go off and say, "Oh hey, I don't like you, so leave me alone." They could be a little bit more nicer about it, and they could explain why they don't like you. In fact, one day in my school, I asked this guy, he doesn't like me for what reasons, I do not know. But he goes off, and I go off and say, why do you hate me so much? And here's his answer. No explanation for why he does not like me. All I get is an I don't know. If you don't have a clear, true reason to hate someone, then don't hate them. Give them a chance. If you're going to be that type of person that is just going to hate them right off the bat and not give them a chance, then don't come and find me, because I'll literally kick your butt. And one thing I do not like is when somebody's trying to get to you and be mean to you and they go through your friends. They hurt your friends to get to you. If you're going to try to get to someone, don't go through their friends. Come directly at them. Don't try to shoot them at the side or behind them. Go to them directly. Go at them directly. Do not go and just be rude and mean to their friends trying to get to you, because a lot of time it doesn't work on girls. Second thing I would like to say, I don't like it when a guy will just sit there and argue for no apparent reason. When a guy will start up an argument with the teacher or something, the teacher tells him why she or he was correct, and the guy will just continue arguing or continuing the argument over days. It's not right to do that. And first off, it's very rude and disrespectful. Second off, that a guy should not ever do to a girl is be mean, hit them, tackle them. I mean, it's alright if you do it to me. I can take the blow. I can take being tackled or punched or something. But I don't like it when a guy will walk up to a shy girl that didn't mean to do anything to him, and he's like the jock and the jerk and all that, and just tackle her. That's not correct in my mind. That to me is like a warning sign going off. It shouldn't happen. And that's where I'm going to start for today. Please give me some tips if you have any tips for me, because I'm not very good at this first time having a channel. But you can find me on Facebook under Crystal Horton. I know, different name, but you can find me there. You can text me, whatever. And remember, of all things, that I will be trying to do my best. And if you come from my school, Liberty Eagles, I know one specific guy who knows exactly who this happened to. Don't come and find me or anything, okay? Anyway, I'm going to leave it there. Remember, Sweet Daredevil out.